What's cooking? This is Gifty. Today's recipe is crispy fried yams. Let's get to it. Start off with some bell peppers, tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, and right behind there is the fresh yams that we're going to be slicing and frying, and I'm going to add a little bit of ripe plantain to go with it. This is a really good meal just to eat or a really good afternoon, simply to snack on rather than grabbing the chips. This is healthy. So first, I wash the yams, cut it all up, slice it out, gentle. If you're not really used to doing this, just put it on a chopping board and take the skin out, nice and simple. Try to get all the little stickiness out of there and make sure it's nice and fresh. Use simple knives so that you're not cutting yourself if this is your first time. And after slicing it, I cut it up into French fry style. Sorry about that, just because I'm feeding this to my kids. And when you cut in the old Ghanaian way, they kind of don't like it. But if you make it look like French fries, they're good with it. While it's being cut, I had the oil on the pot, on the stove, nice and hot. You sprinkle a little bit of salt onto the French fry, onto the yams, and then put it in there. And you just keep an eye on it. Make sure it's nice and bubbly. Turn it over a couple of times to get the nice brown golden look to it. You don't want to over fry it too much. You know it's good when you kind of scoop it up and it's a little bit thick. It's crispy. You can see it. Do a little test just to make sure before you take them all out. And if it's good, you continue and take everything out. If you notice, I also use paper towel on my plate to just take in and suck in all the oil that will be coming out from the yams. I keep saying fries because it's cut up like French fries and it's really good. So that's the test right here. Next is the ripe plantain. I usually fry it when it's not too, when it hasn't ripened too much, when it's like in the middle consistency, so you get that soft taste to it. Slice it up in diagonal. Again, use the same oil. You don't need to sprinkle salt when you're frying the ripe plantain because it's sweet enough already. You don't want to mix up the salt and sweetness. Just leave it as it is, cut it up, rinse, and put it in the hot pan. And once it gets nice and brown, I start scooping it. Now, while that's also going on, I fried the ginger, the garlic, the onion, the pepper, and the tomatoes because I'm going to use that for my paste to be served. And when it's done, I added the bell pepper that was on the table. I added some fish here. This is oven grilled fish, and the pepper to go with it. And as you can see, it gives a nice different color. All my food I try to make it very colorful. So you have the red, the gold, the green, the yellow to give it. And here's a closer look. And voila, this is a good afternoon meal. This is a good watch movie and relax meal. This is very fulfilling, tasty, and your kids will love it. If you don't want fish, add shrimps, add chicken. They will love it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Remember, eat good, feel good.